Can you introduce yourself, please?
Hi, my name is Iñigo, and I am the Managing Director of HINE India. Continue.
Okay. What was your objective of participating in Windergy Expo?
Well, our main objective is to catch up our current stakeholders, our customers, our suppliers, other authorities that are around, try to close some important topics, meetings, and mainly to catch up because it is a good moment to see all the industry, to see again after a while, and to gather all together in the same moment is really positive.
Right. So, are you happy with the kind of the quality of the visitors that have been coming in?
Quality of the visitors,
Yeah.
do you mean?
The people who have visited your. Yeah.
Yes, most of the visitors that we had during first 2 days, they have been companies, mainly customers, so it has been good. We are a tier 1 suppliers for OEMs, so we have seen and we have interacted with many OEMs, and during last days, mainly on Friday, we had some interaction with some students. So it has been, yes, the quality has been quite good. Yes.
So, how important do you think is a show like Windergy Expo for the Indian market at the moment?
Well, I think it is important to keep the expo. As I mentioned, to gather here all the industry. It is important to give importance to the industry, so all together we can have a bigger power. In this sense, I see it really important. It's true that most of the people that we are here, we already know each other, but even though I see important to keep being gathering, because what I have mentioned, to show that there is a strong industry base in India, that there is a big potential for India, and we can show this gathering together, this bigger size of importance towards everything that happened outside and towards the decision makers.
How much has this expo influenced your positioning in the Indian market?
Particularly for us, most of the people already knows us, or our potential customers, and our potential customers already knows us. But it's a place that we have to be here, just to remember everybody that we keep here. So it is important to stay.
Do you have any feedback for the organizers?
The feedback is that last year was the first year that it happened in Chennai. It was good, but there were some things that could maybe be better. And this year I have seen that everything has gone more smooth. Even since the arrival, since the moment we enter, till the moment we start in the stall, I have seen that everything has run a bit better than last year. So I see this as positive.
Okay.
There has been a more negative point that has, during those days, has happened the same exhibition in Brazil. So this might have, due to dates, been conflict with people that could have come from abroad, or people from India that could have traveled to other exhibitions out of the country, to happen in the same dates, that maybe more people could have joined. This is the only point.
Would you recommend your competitors and other industry colleagues to participate in this show?
Competitors? Yes. From my view, if you are in the industry, it's good. And if you are in India, it's good point to stay. I mean, it's a place to stay. At least minimum to come as visitor. And after trying it, to think about stay as exhibitor or partnership with the event organizer. Yes, definitely.
All right. So, any last words for the organizers?
From our side, from HINE side, as I mentioned, I see that it is well organized. I see that for us it's important to stay here, so we will keep staying here. We will keep supporting the organizers, the wind industry in the country. So we will be always here,
All right.
whatever time that is last.
Okay. If I have to ask you just one word about the show, what would it be?
I would say interesting, but there is another word that I cannot find right now. So it is relevant. I would say relevant.
Right.
Relevant.